place where they are never forgotten is the ATA Association's annual reunion, where veterans, their families and modern-day RAF officers celebrate the ATA's wartime achievements.
And I always did and always will salute your ability, your adaptability, your flexibility, and your courage in doing the things that you do.
ATA should be remembered as a unique organisation that made a great contribution to this country in World War II. It was a sort of organisation in many ways you always hoped would go on, but of course it didn't.
I don't think so quickly. I don't do anything so quickly. I'm really an old codger. And that, yet, as I did say once before, even old birds fly. So there's nothing to stop me flying if somebody gives me an airplane.